everyone, in my previous video I told you about importance of scaling. Now I want to show you how to brush in a proper technical way, and it is very necessary because many people doesn't know how to brush in a proper techniques, proper timing and the angulation of the bristle of the brush. So in this video I'll show you, this is a model. Okay, it's a model upper and lower quadrant. Just want to show you the whole teeth. Okay, now this is a model of brush. Is it? Now many people is brushing their teeth is like that. Okay, this is not a correct way to brush. Just hold your brush in such a way, and you can see that 45 degree of angulation should be, and